residential applications, a safety switch or disconnecting means does not need to be located 5 feet away from the tub area. However, ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI protection is required. Specifically, it is necessary to install a GFCI for all electrical outlets within 6 feet of the inside edge of the tub area. The purpose of the GFCI is to protect against electrical shock by interrupting this circuit if it detects a ground fault. The disconnecting means, such as a circuit breaker, should be readily accessible. While it should be within sight of the tub area, there is no specific distance requirement dictating how far away it needs to be. It's crucial that the disconnecting means is situated in a convenient location, allowing for easy reach in case of an emergency. The main electrical panel, which serves as the primary distribution point for electricity in the home, does not need to be in the line of sight of the tub area. Despite this, it must be easily accessible to facilitate quick action during a power outage or electrical emergency. In summary, focus on GFCI protection within 6 feet and ensuring the disconnect is accessible and within sight, but not necessarily at a specific distance, and that the main panel is readily accessible for emergencies. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical installations, including those related to bathrooms and tubs. While the NEC doesn't mandate a specific distance for the disconnecting means from a residential tub, it emphasizes accessibility and visibility. This means the disconnect should be located where it can be quickly and easily reached in case of an electrical hazard, such as a short circuit or water intrusion. The requirement for ground fault circuit interrupter protection within 6 feet of the tub's edge is paramount. GFCIs are designed to detect even small imbalances in electrical current, which can indicate a ground fault. When a ground fault is detected, the GFCI trips, cutting off the power to the circuit and preventing electrical shock. It is important to regularly test ground fault circuit interrupters to ensure they are functioning correctly. This can be done by pressing the test button on the GFCI device. If the GFCI trips, it is working as intended. If it doesn't trip, the GFCI may need to be replaced. When planning the electrical layout of a bathroom, consider the placement of electrical outlets and fixtures relative to the tub or shower. Avoid placing outlets in areas where they are likely to get wet. Use waterproof or water-resistant fixtures and covers for any electrical components that are located near water sources. The accessibility of the main electrical panel is another critical safety consideration. The panel should be located in a dry, well-lit area where it can be easily accessed in case of an emergency. Make sure the panel is clearly labeled so that you can quickly identify the correct circuit breaker to shut off power to a specific area of the house. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is always best to hire a qualified electrician to perform any electrical work in your home. Electricians have the training and experience to safely install and maintain electrical systems. They can also ensure that your electrical system meets all applicable codes and regulations. Regularly inspect your electrical system for any signs of damage or wear. Look for frayed wires, cracked outlets, and loose connections. If you notice any problems, have them repaired immediately. Electrical safety is essential to protect yourself and your family from electrical shock and fire. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure that your home is electrically safe. Consider the specific electrical needs of your bathroom when planning your electrical layout. If you plan to use a lot of electrical appliances in the bathroom, such as hair dryers and curling irons, make sure you have enough outlets to accommodate them. You may also want to consider installing a dedicated circuit for the bathroom to prevent overloading the electrical system. When installing electrical outlets near a tub or shower, use tamper-resistant outlets. These outlets have a built-in safety mechanism that prevents children from inserting objects into the slots. Tamper-resistant outlets are a simple and effective way to protect young children from electrical shock. In addition to ground fault circuit interrupters, consider using arc fault circuit interrupters, or SIs, to protect your electrical circuits. SIs are designed to detect arc faults, which are a common cause of electrical fires. SIs can help prevent electrical fires by shutting off the power to the circuit when an arc fault is detected. When choosing electrical fixtures for your bathroom, select fixtures that are specifically designed for use in wet locations. These fixtures are typically made of materials that are resistant to water and corrosion. They are also designed to prevent water from entering the electrical components of the fixture. When installing electrical wiring in your bathroom, follow all applicable codes and regulations. This will help ensure that your electrical system is safe and reliable. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical safety, consult with a qualified electrician. The location of the main electrical panel is also important for emergency responders. Make sure that the panel is easily accessible to firefighters and other emergency personnel. Consider posting a sign near the panel indicating the location of the main disconnect switch. This will help emergency responders quickly shut off power to the house in case of a fire or other emergency. Regularly inspect your electrical cords and appliances for any signs of damage or wear. Replace any cords or appliances that are damaged or worn. Avoid overloading electrical outlets. Overloading outlets can cause them to overheat and potentially start a fire. If you need to use multiple electrical appliances at the same time, use a power strip with a built-in surge protector. Surge protectors can help protect your electronic devices from damage caused by power surges. Never use electrical appliances near water unless they are specifically designed for use in wet locations. Water can conduct electricity and create a serious electrical shock hazard. If you are working on any electrical project, always turn off the power to the circuit at the main electrical panel before you begin. This will help prevent electrical shock. Use caution when using ladders or other tools around electrical wires. Avoid touching electrical wires with metal tools or equipment. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical safety, consult with a qualified electrician. Electricity is a powerful force that can be dangerous if not handled properly. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure that your home is electrically safe. Remember that GFCI protection is paramount within 6 feet of the tub. Accessibility and visibility of the disconnect are essential, and the main panel should be readily accessible. These measures will help protect you and your family from electrical hazards. Firstly, understanding the role of ground fault circuit interrupters is crucial for bathroom safety. Secondly, ensure that all outlets within 6 feet of the tub are GFCI protected. Thirdly, the disconnecting means should be easily accessible and within sight, though not necessarily at a specific distance. Fourthly, the main electrical panel should be readily accessible for emergencies. These guidelines, while not exhaustive, provide a solid foundation for ensuring electrical safety in residential bathrooms. Ground fault circuit interrupters operate on the principle of detecting imbalances in the electrical current flowing through a circuit. Normally, the current flowing to an appliance or device should equal the current returning from it. If there is a leakage of current to ground, such as through a person touching a live wire, the ground fault circuit interrupter detects this imbalance and quickly shuts off the power to the circuit, preventing a potentially fatal electrical shock. The 6-foot zone around a tub or shower is considered a wet location where the risk of electrical shock is significantly higher. Water can greatly reduce the resistance of the human body, making it easier for electrical current to flow through it. This is why ground fault circuit interrupter protection is so important in these areas. The disconnecting means, typically a circuit breaker in the electrical panel, allows you to quickly shut off power to the bathroom circuit in case of an emergency. Being able to quickly cut off power can prevent further damage or injury. While the National Electrical Code doesn't specify a precise distance for the disconnecting means, it emphasizes accessibility and visibility. This means the disconnect should be located where it can be easily seen and reached in case of an emergency. The main electrical panel is the central point for all electrical circuits in the house. It houses the circuit breakers that protect each circuit from overloads and short circuits. In the event of a power outage or electrical emergency, you may need to access the main panel to reset a trip breaker or shut off power to the entire house. Therefore, it is important that the main panel is easily accessible and clearly labeled. Keep the area around the main panel clear of obstructions, and make sure there is adequate lighting so you can see what you are doing. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical safety, always consult with a qualified electrician. Electricians have the training and experience to safely install and maintain electrical systems. They can also ensure that your electrical system meets all applicable codes and regulations. Regular inspections of your electrical system can help identify potential problems before they become serious hazards. Look for signs of damage or wear, such as frayed wires, cracked outlets, and loose connections. If you notice any problems, have them repaired immediately. When working with electricity, always take precautions to protect yourself from electrical shock. Wear rubber gloves and shoes, and avoid touching any bare wires or metal parts. Never work on electrical equipment while standing in water or on a wet surface. These guidelines are not intended to be a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician before performing any electrical work in your home. In conclusion, prioritizing GFCI protection, accessible disconnects, and a readily available main panel are crucial elements in ensuring electrical safety in residential bathrooms. These measures, combined with regular inspections and adherence to electrical codes, significantly minimize the risk of electrical hazards.